Today we are going to learn problems in a practice set 1.4. Practice set 1.4 depends upon the areas of similar triangle. First problem in a practice set 1.4 is the ratio of corresponding side of smaller triangle is 3 as 5. Then find the ratio of their areas. समोरूप त्रिकोणाच्या संगत बाजूचे गुणोत्तर 3 जसे 5 आहे तर समोरूप त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाचे गुणोत्तर किती? In this problem, two triangles are similar triangle, means by using theorem of area of similar triangle. Theorem is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangle is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Hence, the ratio of area of similar triangle is equal to 3 square as 5 square. The corresponding side of similar triangle is given 3 as 5, 3 square as 5 square. Then we get 3 square is a 9, 5 square is a 25. The ratio of area is 9 as 25. Second problem. In a triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and AB as PQ is equal to 2 as 3. Then fill in the blanks. Therefore, area of triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon dash dash square is equal to 2 square upon 3 square is equal to, at numerator and denominator, dash dash. Fill in the blanks. In this problem, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Two triangles are similar. It is given by using theorem of area of similar triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square as PQ square. Substitute the value of AB as PQ is given in a problem 2 as 3. Area of triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to 2 square upon 3 square is equal to 4 as 9. Hence, the blanks will be filled. Triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to 2 square upon 3 square is equal to 4 as 9. This is the answer. Problem number 3. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 80. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 125. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square as PQ square. Therefore, AB as PQ is equal to dash dash at numerator and dash dash at denominator. Answer of this question. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR is given. When two triangles are similar by using theorem of area of similar triangle. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप दिले जातात तेव्हा समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाचे प्रमेयाचा वापर करतात. Therefore, area of triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square as PQ square. Substitute the value of area of triangle ABC is a 80 square unit and area of triangle PQR is equal to 125 unit. then 80 upon 125 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. 80 and 125 are not perfect square number. Divide 80 and 125 by 5. 80 आणि 125 पूर्ण वर्ग संख्या नाहीत, म्हणून 80 आणि 125 ला जर आपण 5 ने डिवाइड केला तर आपल्याला पूर्ण वर्ग संख्या मिळतात. Therefore AB square as PQ square is equal to 80 divided by 5, then you get 16, and 125 divided by 5, then you get 25. Therefore AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 25. Hence the answer AB as PQ is equal to 4 as 5. Write down. Next problem in a practice set 1.4. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find corresponding side of the bigger triangle. या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये समरूप त्रिकोणाची क्षेत्रफळे, दोन समरूप त्रिकोणाची क्षेत्रफळे 225 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर आणि 81 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर दिलेली आहे. इफ अ साइड ऑफ स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल इज 12 सेंटीमीटर, जर लहान त्रिकोणाची एक बाजू 12 सेंटीमीटर दिलेली आहे तर मोठ्या त्रिकोणाची संगत बाजू काढा. In this problem, two triangles are similar given by using theorem of area of similar triangles. Theorem is, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Let side of smaller triangle is S1. It is given in problem 12 centimeter, and corresponding side of bigger triangle is S2. By using theorem of area of similar triangle, then we get, therefore area of smaller triangle as area of bigger triangle is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Substitute the value. Area of smaller triangle is 81 upon 225 is equal to S1 square is a 12 square upon S2 square. Taking square root on both sides, then we get दोन्ही बाजूचे वर्गमूळ घ्या. 9 as 15 is equal to 12 as S2. Cross multiplication here. 9 multiply S2 is equal to 15 into 12. 9 goes on the RHS side, then we get S2 is equal to 15 into 12 upon 9, 5 into 12 upon 3. 15 and 9 divided by 3. येथे 15 आणि 9 या दोन्ही संख्येला 3 ने भाग द्या. 3 5 जा 15, 3 3 जा 9, 3 ने भाग दिला. Then we get 5 into 12 upon 3. पुन्हा 3 ने 12 ला डिवाइड करा. 3 4 जा 12. Then we get 5 into 4 upon 1 is equal to 20. Then S2 is equal to 20. Corresponding side of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Write down here. Next problem in a practice set 1.4, problem number 5. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR. 9 multiply area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 multiply area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये त्रिकोण LMN समरूप त्रिकोण PQR दिलेला आहे आणि एक कंडिशन दिलेली आहे. 9 multiply area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 multiply area of triangle LMN. QR is equal to 20, then find MN. In this problem, triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR, by using theorem of area of similar triangle. Therefore, area of triangle PQR as area of triangle LMN is equal to QR square upon MN square, equation number 1, by using theorem of area of similar triangle. We know given condition in a problem, 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. It is given. This area of triangle LMN goes on LHS side, then we get divide. And this 9 goes on the RHS side, then we get divide. We get area of triangle PQR as area of triangle LMN is equal to 16 upon 9. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, समीकरण 1 आणि 2 मध्ये LHS साइडला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR एज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एलिमेंट बाजू सारखी आहे. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 म्हणून समीकरण 1 व 2 वरून QR square upon MN square is equal to 16 upon 9. Taking square root on both sides, दोन्ही बाजूचे जर वर्गमूळ घेतले तर QR as Mn is equal to 4 as 3. In a problem, QR is equal to 20. Substitute in this stage. QR is equal to 20 upon Mn is equal to 4 upon 3. Cross multiplication, Mn into 4 is equal to 20 into 3. 20 into 3 is a 60. Mn into 4 is equal to 20 into 3. This 4 goes on the RHS side, then we get divide. 60 upon 4 is equal to 15. This is the value of Mn is equal to 15. Problem number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. If area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 as 2 and AB is equal to 4, find DE. या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये ट्रायंगल ABC आणि ट्रायंगल DEF हे इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल म्हणजे समभुज त्रिकोण आहेत. इफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC as area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 as 2, त्यांच्या क्षेत्रफळाचे गुणोत्तर 1 as 2 दिलेला आहे. जर AB is equal to 4, find DE. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. हे दोन त्रिकोण समभुज त्रिकोण आहेत. All angles of equilateral triangle are equal. That is, every angle is 60 degree. समभुज त्रिकोणाचा प्रत्येक कोण 60 अंश असतो, म्हणून समभुज त्रिकोणाचे सर्व कोण समान मापाचे असतात. Corresponding angle of triangle are congruent. Those triangle are similar. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोणाचे संगत कोण एकरूप असतात तेव्हा ते दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle DEF by AAA test. Triangle ABC चा प्रत्येक कोण ट्रायंगल DEF च्या संगत कोणाशी एकरूप आहे, म्हणून ट्रायंगल ABC similar triangle DEF by AAA test. When two triangles are similar, by using theorem of area of similar triangle, we can write area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon D square. But in problem, the area of ratio of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF is given 1 as 2. We get 1 as 2 is equal to AB square upon D square. Taking square root on both sides. दोन्ही बाजूचे वर्गमूळ घेतल्यास square root of 1 is a 1 and 2 is not perfect square number. Therefore, square root of 2 write in a square root symbol, square root 2. 1 as square root 2 is equal to AB as DE. Then we get, therefore, 1 upon root 2 is equal to, the value of AB is equal to 4 in a problem given. 4 as DE. Cross multiplication, DE is equal to 4 root 2. This is the answer of the value. DE is equal to 4 root 2. Write down clearly. Last problem in a practice set 1.4, problem number 7. In figure, segment PQ is a parallel segment DE. Area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units. PF is equal to 2 DP. Then find area of quadrilateral DPQE. In a triangle DEF, segment PQ is a parallel to segment DE. And in problem given, PF is equal to 2 into DP. Let the value of DP is equal to consider as a Y. Therefore, PF is equal to 2 DP means PF is equal to 2 into Y. Here DF is the sum of segment DP and PF. Therefore, DF is equal to DP plus PF. DP is the Y and PF is equal to 2DP. Y plus 2Y is equal to 3Y. The value of DF is equal to 3Y. In a triangle DEF and triangle PQEF, DE is a parallel to PQ. Then DE is a parallel PQ and DF is their transversal. Then to form angle D is a corresponding angle P. Therefore, angle EDF is a congruent angle QPF. It is corresponding angles. And angle F is the common. In a triangle DFE and triangle PFQ, therefore, angle DFE is a congruent angle PFQ. It is common angle. When two angle of one triangle is a congruent to the corresponding two angle of other triangle, then by using corresponding vertices, DFE is a corresponding vertices to PFQ. Hence, two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle DFE similar triangle PFQ by using AA test. पहा त्रिकोण DEF आणि त्रिकोण PQF या दोन त्रिकोणाचा जर आपण विचार केला तर DE पॅरलल PQ आहे आणि DP जर DF त्याची जर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल कन्सिडर केली तर अँगल D आणि अँगल P करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल होतात म्हणून अँगल EDF कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल QPF आणि अँगल F हा दोन्ही त्रिकोणाचा कॉमन अँगल आहे आणि म्हणून हे दोन त्रिकोण ट्रायंगल DFE and triangle PFQ similar still by using AA test. When two triangles are similar by using theorem of area of similar triangles. That is area of triangle DFE as area of triangle PFQ is equal to DF square upon PF square. Substitute the value of DF and PF in this equation. Area of triangle DFE as area of triangle PFQ is equal to 3y upon 2y square. 3y square is a 9y square. 2y square is a 4y square. Y square get cancelled at numerator and denominator. Then we get 9 as 4 is the area of triangle DEF as area of triangle PFQ is equal to 9 as 4. This area of triangle PFQ goes on this side, we get multiply. Then we get, therefore, area of triangle DFE is equal to 9 upon 4 multiply area of triangle PFQ. But in problem, area of triangle PQF, that is PFQ is given 20 square unit. Substitute the value of area of triangle PFQ is a 20. 9 as 4 multiplied 20, 4 5 are 20. Then we get area of triangle DFE is equal to 9 into 5 is equal to 45 square unit. Then to find the area of quadrilateral DPQE, here quadrilateral area of quadrilateral DPQE is the area of triangle DFE minus area of triangle PFQ. या चौकोनाचे DPQE चे क्षेत्रफळ काढण्यासाठी ट्रायंगल DEF मधून ट्रायंगल PQF वजा केला असता एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DPQE चे क्षेत्रफळ मिळते आणि म्हणून एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल DPQE is equal to area of triangle DFE minus area of triangle PFQ. Then we get area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to 45 minus 20. Then we get 15 units. This is the area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to 15 square unit. Are you understand? Write down. And lastly, take homework. First problem for homework. Ratio of corresponding side of two similar triangle is 2 as 5. If the area of this small triangle is 64 square centimeter, then what is the area of bigger triangle? दोन समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या संगत बाजूचे गुणोत्तर 2 जसे 5 दिलेला आहे. लहान त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ 64 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर असेल तर मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ काढा. हा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला होमवर्क साठी दिलेला आहे. हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी एक लक्षात घ्या, टू ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर करा. ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR. Corresponding side of two similar triangle is given, that is AB as PQ is equal to 2 as 5, and area of smaller triangle, triangle ABC is a smaller triangle and triangle PQR is a bigger triangle. Why? AB as PQ, AB is a 2, PQ is a 5, therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 square centimeter. By using theorem of area of similar triangle, या theorem चा वापर करा. area of triangle ABC as area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square as PQ square, आणि मग किमती ठेवा आणि कॅल्क्युलेट करा area of bigger triangle, area of triangle PQR to find out. Second problem for homework. In a trapezium ABCD, side AB is a parallel to side CD. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point P. Then prove that area of triangle ABP and area of triangle CPD, म्हणजे ABP आणि CPD हे दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवा. नंतर बाय युजिंग थेरम ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगलचा वापर करा. हिंट फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लेम टू सॉल्व. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is a parallel to side CD. In a triangle APB and triangle CPD, हे दोन त्रिकोण सिमिलर दाखवायचे आहेत. AB is a parallel to CD and AC is their transversal. These two angles are alternate angle. BAC alternate angle to ACD. In a triangle APB and triangle CPD, angle BAP is a congruent angle, PCD is alternate angle, and the angle APB is vertical opposite angle to angle CPD. Vertical opposite angle are congruent. Hence, angle APB is a congruent angle CPD. it is opposite angles. Then triangle APB, similar triangle CPD, AA test. With the help of this figure, then to prove that area of triangle APP as area of triangle CPD is equal to AB square as CD square. Write down the homework.